in the 10th standard and you get good marks, and as an adult you don't do that well in life, you still think नहीं यार 2003 में 90% आया था मैं अभी भी स्मार्ट हूँ. See, the thing is 10th standard exams are very unfair because they don't even give equal holidays for each paper. Right? You remember your timetable? Maths paper छुट्टी 1 दिन, मराठी पेपर 12 दिन. एक संत ने दूसरे संत को क्या बोला? पढ़. 12 दिन मराठी पढ़ पढ़ के वक्त बन गया है. नो वंडर बच्चे लोग पहला चीज पेपर पे ओम लिख रहे हैं. ऑफ कोर्स. But I feel at 27, this is my least arrogant stage, the version. I swear, you should have seen me when I was 14. I was so overconfident, I took French. You know why? Because they said it is scoring. Yeah, to French people. Not to me, who spent his whole life in Maharashtra. You want to know how bizarre that is? Flip it. Paris जा, एक गोरे को पकड़ और बोले मराठी ले. क्यों? क्यों? क्या भोसड़ी क्या स्कोरिंग है और क्यों? And the thing is, our parents put so much efforts, right, to put in a good school. But do they give you let you give your exam in that good school? No. You have to you have to give your exam in a center. मेरा center इतना घटिया दिखता था. I swear, like my center used to look like the first school ever in Pakistan or something. I swear, you should have seen when I went to see my center, kids were copying like Olympic athletes. Like they had taken mini Xerox of the whole textbook. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता था covered है. And guess what they would do after they finished copying? They would eat it and drink water. What a way to consume knowledge. And the thing is, okay, 2 दिन छुट्टी था, French paper था. I was like, no way. Without studying the whole year, am I going to be able to download France in my brain in 2 days? Right? So I called up my friend and was like, who should sit ahead of me? He's like, copy करने देगा? He's like, पूरा छाप दे. I'm like, great. Now it's time to relax. 2 दिन है French गाना सुना है. Let's go, right? See, this is what I feel like. The best part about not studying, which no one talks about, is not having to revise. सब लोग रिवाइज कर रहे हैं, मैं चिल कर रहा हूँ. आप रिवाइज नहीं करो, रिवाइज के लिए पढ़ना पड़ता है. मैं पढ़ा ही नहीं हूँ. Now the exam is at 11 a.m. I wake up at 9 a.m. Too relaxed. Okay, I'm packing my bags. I put my writing pad. I put my pouch with my lucky pens in it. And I'm putting my hall ticket. But hall ticket मिल रहा ही नहीं है. I'm like, हैं? हॉल टिकट कैसा नहीं मिल सकता है? पूरा घर पे ढूंढ रहा हूँ, वापस नहीं मिला. And that's when I realized, fuck, I have lost my hall ticket. And that's when I realized, a 14-year-old losing a hall ticket is the worst thing that could happen to you. But that's when I realized that when you're 14, the worst thing that happens to you is never the actual worst thing that happens to you. Because the real worst thing is you telling your parents that the worst thing happened to you. And do they make you feel normal about it? No. They make you feel reverse special. सिर्फ तेरे साथ ही क्यों होता है ये? Like बिल्डिंग में गिर गया, सिर्फ तू ही क्यों गिरता है? I'm like, सब लोग गिरते हैं. You get very selective data. Like बिल्डिंग में ध्रुव गिर गया, वो नहीं बोला आंटी मैं गिर गया यार. तो तू भी बोले ना भोसड़ी अपनी माँ को जाके बता ना, मेरे को क्यों बता रहा है? Like I went and told my mother that, oh, I lost my hall ticket. And she said, no. And I said, yes. And she began to cry. And I'm like, don't cry. She's like, why? I was like, I don't know, cry then I guess. I am 14, you're 50. I have no experience to convince you to not cry. She's like, don't back answer. And that's when I realized, for parents, it's so easy to win any argument against their kid. All they have to say is don't back answer. What do you mean by back answer? This is talking. And what do you mean by back answer? Answering is already answering back only. Who else do you answer to then? Because parents wants to have one-way conversation and you're nothing back. That is not talking, that is praying. So she's like, what do you want to do now? What do I want to do? You're the mother. You figure out. She's like, okay, we'll go to the principal. I'm like, not that guy. Because see, the thing is, my principal does not solve any issues. He announces it. Let's say school में ध्रुव का बैग खो गया. He will announce. ध्रुव का बैग खो गया. अपना बैग ध्यान रखो. अरे भोसड़ी के चोर को पकड़ना. क्यों अभी ध्रुव का बैग चोर ध्यान रख रहा है. And the thing is, he announces whole life of bad jokes. Because then whole school knows I've lost my hall ticket. Just bad jokes the whole year. Hey, ये क्या है रे? क्या है? तेरा hall ticket नहीं है रे? Like, go there. The principal is like, what happened? And I said, I lost my hall ticket. He's like, where did you forget it? I was like, where did I forget it? That is forgetting. If I remembered where I forgot, that is remembering. He's like, don't worry. I said, yeah, not worrying. I'm sorry I had the default emotion. He's like, I'll write you a letter. You go to the hall center, show it to your teacher, should be fine. Should be. This is how he writes the letter. Subject. Joel D'Souza has lost his hall ticket. साले अनाउंस क्या कर रहा है? थोड़ा सटल वे में ले. And he begins the actual letter. To Sir Man. Joel D'Souza has lost his hall ticket. वो सर क्या इको पॉइंट बना रहा है क्या इधर? And then he's like, do you have a picture? My mother had a passport picture of me where I'm smiling. And he puts it on that letter where my face is like, where it just felt like I had a great time losing my hall ticket. And I lose his letter also. Now I take this KYC document with me. I go to the hall center and the invigilator comes. She's like, show me your hall ticket. And I give her this letter. And she's like, this is not hall ticket. I'm like, fuck yaar. इसको झटकना बन जाएगा यार वो. And then she starts reading out the hall ticket. Sorry, she starts reading out the letter to me. Joel D'Souza has lost his hall ticket. Are you Joel D'Souza? What a deep question to ask anyone, let alone a 14-year-old. Like, are you Joel D'Souza? I don't know, man. Am I or I used to be? I have no clue. See, but that's the thing. When you're an adult, you have so many documents. Are you Joel D'Souza? Passport में देख ले, हाँ मैं यूँ रे. जब 14 है, बहनचोद को डॉक्यूमेंट ही नहीं है. हॉल टिकट था, खो गया वो. She's like, yeah, don't worry, just finish writing a paper. Finish writing? I have to start copying. Tell the kid who's ahead of me, I'm like, थोड़ा बता. And he's on his essay now, which means I have to start my paper also with an essay. And the essay is write in French about your mother in 100 words. Like, bhai, musibat ho gaya. So I'm trying to copy. And that's when I realized the difference in copying in a language you know versus copying in a language you don't know. Because when you're copying in a language you know, copying is so simple. ऐसा झाँक लिया, पूरा ही लिख दिया इधर. But when copying in a language you don't know, you're literally drawing the other person's answer sheet. Like the copying is so binary. एक ही alphabet उठाना पड़ रहा है. एक आ गया, एक और आ गया. मुझे 12 मिनट लगा एक 7 लेटर वर्ड ढापने के लिए. जब फाइनली गिना इधर से 5 था, तो 2 लेटर वापस लेके आने का रेस्क्यू मिशन चालू हो गया. Then finally when I wrote it and I read it, the word read शीतल. मैं फ्रेंच पेपर में इंग्लिश में हिंदू नाम लिख के आ गया. The thing is, the teacher is not even stopping from copying because she like, this is not copying. This is him actually learning French right now. I go home, and this is the thing, right? I'm expecting my mother to be very angry, and it's very satisfying to when you're expecting a mother to be upset, and she's upset because then it'll get over. But if you expect your parents to be angry, and she's not angry, you know she's gonna involve more people in this. So I go home, she's too calm. And I'm like, fuck. She's like, hi Joel. And I'm like, hi Sheetal. She's like, how was your paper? और ये सवाल का मैं हमेशा जवाब झूठ ही देता हूँ. Right? क्यों माँ को 2 बार दुख देने का? पेपर कैसा गया? बहुत मस्त. कितना मिलेगा? फुल. हमेशा मिलता है 3, 6. पर तूने तो बोला फुल मिलेगा. हाँ मिला ना फुल 6 मार्क. She's like, how was your paper? And I say how it was. And she's like, yeah, don't worry. You know, it was a tough day. It was very unnatural what happened. She's like, don't worry, just sit there. And just, yeah, I made tea, have it. Like, पहला एक सिप आप पियो. Now I'm just sitting there, expecting, okay, this is where the meltdown begins. यहाँ पे चालू हो गया अभी. Assassination. But she puts 2 hall tickets in front of me. And I'm thinking, 2 घुमा दिया क्या मैंने? And then I was like, oh, did the school give? They were like, एक भूल गया तो वापस मत लेके जा. She's like, no. Actually, yesterday, when you were not at home, I took the hall ticket from your bag, thinking you would forget it. And I went to photo Xerox it. Yeah. But there was a big queue over there. So I told him, खत्म कर दो, मैं बाजार खत्म करके आती हूँ. And then I forgot. And she's like, when I went today to the market, that guy called me. And he's like, your hall ticket. And I was like, ye chai aap piyo actually. Now big dilemma. What do I take for the next exam? Hall ticket? Or the letter? Now I'm thinking, I've lost the hall ticket. Let me continue losing it. And just let me take the letter. She's like, no. Take both. अब अगला एग्जाम हिस्ट्री है. नो छुट्टी. लेके गया मैं पूरा अपना KYC डॉक्यूमेंट्स वापस. Now 1 hall ticket, 1 fake hall ticket, and 1 letter that I had lost the hall ticket. The invigilator comes, she's like, what is this? I said, letter. She's like, why do you have it? I said, oh, I lost my hall ticket. She's like, then what is that? Oh, I said, hall ticket. She's like, why do you have it? I said, I found my hall ticket. I was like, can't bring a letter for that also. Imagine bringing a letter for everything. Infinite paper loop. 0 trees left. Like उनको कुछ समझा ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है. She was so confused because she was seeing the past and present together. Right? Like when past, like उनका इतना confused हो गया, for her time stopped. And when time stopped for her, I ate the hall ticket. And I ended it. History paper. First question, who lost the battle of Panipat? Who lost? क्या मालूम, माँ ने खोया होगा. Thank you guys. That's it for me.